Welcome to Linux for You channel. My name is Sushil Sharma. And suppose you are sitting in RHCSA exam and your Podman and nginx container is deleted accidentally. So if your website is disappearing after this, how you will solve this problem inside your exam? Or you want to make a good project in your college, impress your faculty, right? So it will be a good Linux administrator project. So let's see how we will save our website if the container is deleted accidentally. So let's go to the Red Hat machine and how we will save our website. Let's see. First we have to download the image, right, of nginx. That is a wonderful web server. First we will search this image, Podman, search nginx. We will search this image in Docker Hub, Docker, and we want to see only the first one line, starting first line. I want to see. So it will show you a very small output. Yes, this is your image name. So this image you have to download. It is an official image. So how you will download? The command is podman full. This image will be downloaded in few seconds, and after that we will go ahead, right? Now the image is downloaded, and let's verify podman images. This image is downloaded. After that we have to create the directory where my home page will be. So sudo mkdir website. So a directory is created, and inside this directory we will create a web page, HTML page. So how? See the command carefully. Echo. So what code you want to write here, you have to write, right? So I am giving the small code here. Right. So this content will be written into the a file, right? So how it will be written? Sudo t, and the file name will be website index.html, right? So this file is created. So let's verify that this file is created and a content is written or not by the command get. Yes, the content is written inside this HTML file. So our website is ready. Now we have to see the SC-Linux context of this directory, security enhanced Linux. If you don't take care of this, it will not allow, SC-Linux will not allow your website to run. So how we will see? Sudo ls -ld capital Z and your website directory. So here you can see your context, your label is not good. So you have to label this context according to SC Linux. Otherwise, it will not allow the website. So how you will do that? Sudo sc manage, and you are changing the file context, f context. You are adding a type of context, and that should be container file t. Container file. It is like a label. This should be the context, and where it should be applied. See carefully on my website folder, and after that you have to open bracket any file it may be, right, and question mark. This way you are applying the right context on the website directory, and then it is changing the policy. Now you have to basically restore the right label with the command sudo restore on recursively on which website, right. Now again see the website context, it is changed now, it is right now changed, it is the right context, so you have to do this. After that we have to uh, run the Podman image. Before running you have to see that which host port we have to publish and which is the container port. So we will inspect the image, right? So we have to inspect our image. So this is my image name. We are inspecting this image. Inspect your image name, and we have to search a word map. Now you can see this container, this website container is exporting, it's exposing the port 80 TCP. So container is running inside 80, right? So now we will run the container. Podman run detachable mode. We will take a name here web server. After that we have to specify the port, and that will be 9090. So 9090 you will use on your website when you want to access the page of this web server, right? After that we have to map the correct directory. So our website directory is web site, and we will map this directory to the nginx document root, and that is /usr user share nginx and html. It is a document root of nginx. Now specify your image name. This is the image name. So this way you are running a container with the name web server. Let's see it is running or not. Podman ps. The command is Podman ps. So here you can see it is a container ID, it is the image name, and this is the port you are exporting, publishing the port, and the web server is the name of the container. So how you will test this, that it is successfully running or not? So you need to install a package. You want to test inside this sudo dnf install links. So if the package is not installed, you have to install it, and after that we will use this command, right? So how we will test it locally? The command is links and http localhost, and my port number is 909. Yes, subscribe line is for you channel. There what I wrote there, so it is showing me now my website is working correctly. If you want to test this from the another browser, yes, you can test. So I'm going to the another browser in my Windows and writing the IP address of my web server and port number 9090. Yes, it is showing me the that thing that I have written in the HTML page, right? So my website is working perfectly, right? Now my lab is successful. Now we will simulate our environment, right? One more thing I'm telling you, if you want to change this page, yes, you can change. How you can change? Suppose I want to change this web page. So yes, you can change again it by the same command, echo. So by the help of this command, you want to change, yes, you can change. So I'm adding something else. So right now I'm changing my home page, right? And after that, oh, just a minute. My web page is changing now. In the website, I'm changing recover website after deletion. So I'm changing my website home page. Now it has been changed. So I have written another words, right? If you want to verify, yes, you will verify. Cat web server. Yes, the another statement is written in the web page. Now see, my website is changing or not. Refresh the browser. Yes, it is changing. It means my website home page is changing. Now we will remove the container to simulate our environment, right? So how to remove the container? Let's see. So Podman rm-f and the container name is web server. So this container is deleted accidentally, suppose by my junior admin. So let's verify that it is deleted or not. Yes, it is deleted. There is no container. So first we have to see that our data is safe or not. Container is deleted accidentally. So my website is there or not. Yes, my website is there. Container is deleted, but my home page is safe. So with this home page again, we will run the website, right? So how we will run the website? See this carefully. So again, you have to run the same command again, right? And see, now your website is not working. Refresh the web page because there is no container. Now you will find the error. Yes, you are finding the error. Now we are again running the container. If you want to change this name, yes, you can change, but I'm not changing my name. So with the old directory, with the old website, we are running the container once again with the same name, or you can take the another name, right? So now the container will run again. Let's verify Podman. Yes, yes, the container is running again. Yes. So let's see the website is back or not. Right now, refresh the browser. Yes, website is back. So this way, if the website is not working because you deleted the container, now our website data is safe and it is recovering after the deletion. So if you are liking my channel, please subscribe the channel so that my next video will not miss to you. If you want to pass the RHCS exam, you want to make a career in Linux, so this is the good channel to study, and every day I'm uploading the one video. So hit the bell icon, subscribe the channel, like the video, and wait for the next video tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video.